Good afternoon. We already met before that also. Few guys have joined at the time. Okay. 1 minute. Huh? Guys, this is your new task. How many tasks you have uploaded? No?
Two,
1
ma'am.
and 2. Huh? So just label this as 3. Okay. So write down the question. Design of half wave and full wave rectified circuits. To generate guys, have you noted the question? Design of half wave and full wave rectifier circuit to generate rectified and inverted rectified output waveforms. Okay, let's see the circuit. Yeah. As in our theory class, we have learned that half wave rectifier, by the help of the op-amp and 2 diode, we can build the applied input waveform to be appeared in one half cycle, while it will be off in another half cycle because of the 2 diodes. Suppose this is D1 and D2. We know this construction, and in theory also I have been explained this well enough. So just get the things about the circuit. So here guys, you have to search for this component IN4001. How you are searching the op-amp option? No, search parts components. In that you just go either in that you can search, or at the initial classes I explained that how do you search that directly op-amp name UA741 like that. So same thing you have to repeat for the searching of diode 1N4001. Okay, then you search these 2 diode and you have to design the circuit in this way. For this guys, you have to take 2 same type of resistor. The quantity of resistor is 2, but the resistors values are 10 kilo ohm for RF as well as for RN. So how do you know that what kind of waveform will come, guys? So you know the principle. When we are applying the sinusoidal waveform, B in for the positive half, diode D1 is conducting. Okay, but D2 will become off. So with this off, what will happen? This will stop to close the path. So that what will be the V out at here, guys? Suppose these are 2 different cycles. So in this first half cycle, it will not appear. Then what about the negative half cycle? When this negative voltage will appear, again in front of this, if you see, because of the virtual ground, this path is 0, and again negative voltage is coming. So negative saturation voltage will make this diode D1 to become open now. But this will make this diode D2 to conduct. So here I can draw the lines. It means it will offer a closed path to this. It means we are getting a closed loop now by the help of the D2. But what type of waveform we are getting? This is negative, and negative will make this inverted output as negative. Negative, negative will positive. So we may get a output of this one because of the D2 and so on. Like that. So this is the case for the half wave rectifier. The design, I hope you all have been noted. And what are the input parameters for that? Sinusoidal waveform for the 2.5 volt and frequency you have to take 1 kilohertz. Okay. Then check the output with the necessary connection, the power supply and ground connection. Then here I just want you guys, as per the question given to you, how do we get the inverted waveform? That is, the job should be done by you. You have to make the necessary arrangement in the circuit to get that inverted output waveform. Okay. Then come to full wave rectifier. This is the circuit for the full wave rectifier. This has been discussed in today's theory class itself. So these are the parameters. Same input parameter we have to take for the full wave rectifier cases, and R value is similar for all, guys. You can see that it is of 10K. Okay. Where are the places?
Like for inverter, we just reverse this D1 and D2, right? Like D1.
No, don't ask me. That is a individual task. You have to do and you have to share your file. Okay. That's why I'm not discussing that. You have to try that, no, by using your software knowledge.
Okay.
You try that. Even though if you are saying I cannot say it is yes or no, you have to try individually. That proves your intellectual ability, no? Okay.
Yes.
So this is the full wave rectifier, right? So just see, guys, in this full wave rectifier, you have to check the V out. I will not tell the configuration of V out at here. You have to trace it, whether by implementing this circuit, because now D1 will act in the positive half and D2 will act in the negative half cycle of the input. So whether we may get this rectified output or we may get this inverted rectified output, you have to check. But as per the question, you have to design a circuit for both the half wave and full wave to get normal rectified output as well as the inverted rectified output for half wave and full wave. If you have noted the circuit parameters, you may proceed to design your circuit, and if it is done for you, you just raise your hand. I will verify your output. Okay.
Ma'am. Like this D1, where it will be available, diode?
No, the name D1 is not that. To understand the concept only I told. But in it is available parts. How you are searching op-amp, no? In that you can type 1N4001. If it is not available, na, you can take 1N4007 for your version of the circuit. Okay.
Okay.
Got it. But in most of the configuration, it is there. Most of the version of OrCAD Lite, it is there. 1N4001. Otherwise, you go for 1N4007. Whichever is available, you just go for that.
Ma'am, simulation profile like normal and ma'am 5 milliseconds and not 5 millisecond.
Yes, because it is same only. The simulation time you are giving 5 millisecond and step size is 0.001 you give to get better smooth output. Okay. Like in integrator you have given an integrator differentiator circuit. So here also you give like that. Okay. If you got this concept, guys, better you start simulating your circuit. When you get your output, just raise your hand to verify it.
Ma'am, I am not having both of them. IN 1N4001, 1N4007.
Similarly, yes, ma'am. We have 4099 only, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yeah, I just figured out, ma'am, like we have 400, like 4099, and we have to again import that library, ma'am. Then I got
Yeah,
that, ma'am.
library import option. Yeah, you can do like to bring the
Just now
OPAM.
I
You have
imported.
yeah, you import that. Yeah, thanks Dinesh for reminding us. Yeah, you have to do that, guys. I thought you have been following that step only. Whichever component is not available, no, like OPAMs were available for us, but MUA 701 was not available for us. No, so we have imported that from the library file. Then only we can fetch it. So you have to follow for all the components. If diode is available, you have to fetch the particular diode from the library function only. Okay, go for that.
And thanks to my integrator and differentiator circuit and output.
I'm not getting your voice is little bit
Um,
noisy.
uh,
Vaibhav, yeah, tell me Vaibhav.
yes, ma'am. I want to show my integrator and differentiator output.
No, it's not allowed now, Vaibhav. You have to do the current task only. That I'm going to check today.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I just posted in chat the path to you import, ma'am.
Okay. Guys, you just refer in this meeting or in the team
In
chat you have been informed.
now meeting chat, ma'am.
I am not able to see. Yeah, okay. Library, PSpice and
Advan LS.
Advan LS. Exactly, it has written it there.
Yes, ma'am. I
Hmm.
just now imported that one, ma'am, and now I got that diode.
Okay, guys, you please follow this path.
Ma'am, after advanced analysis, where we should go, ma'am?
I'm
Reply
like
this.
in Advan LS, all there are those OBJ, some PSpice files will be there. So we have to select all those and import them, ma'am.
Control A, yeah, you have to select Control
Yes.
A and import, yeah.
Bhargav, వచ్చింది Bhargav.
Ma'am,
Yes, Akash.
ma'am, in advanced LS, what are the files we have to select?
All. Control A. Then you just export to library. That some option will be there. No, in that window. You click that. Open or export. Some option will be there.
Ma'am, I did that, but I'm still not getting IN4001.
Akash, just share your screen. I will see.
Just a minute.
Hemant, you got?
Yes, ma'am, I got, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, is it visible?
No, your screen is okay. Anyway, you proceed. Is this in that PSpice Advanced NL that option?
Yes, ma'am. See, ma'am, this is advanced NL, and these are all the
Control
files.
A. Control A.
I already did it. Like Control A,
No, ma'am, it's
open.
not like that actually.
Yeah, you explain. Guide him, Hemant.
Yeah, again. Open the library, bro.
Yeah.
Go to the bottom,
Where?
bottom.
Just tell me at where to click.
Scroll down
Okay.
scroll down to the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, actually is not containing the advanced analysis file itself, ma'am.
In
So,
that, it is not there.
oh, this is
Uh,
advanced analysis. Is it advanced analysis, bro?
Yeah, yeah. You can
Yeah,
see
then
there it is written.
then copy completely.
Control A. Control C.
That's what, ma'am, I did. Control A, all other files are selected.
Control C.
Control C, and then
Open.
open.
Now you search. Actually, Control C is not needed. Just Control A is not needed.
Bro, it's not IN, it's one N.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I think I was doing. Yes, ma'am, I got it. Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
Ma'am, what is the amplitude for the sine wave?
2.5.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Prakhar?
Ma'am, got the output for half wave. Can I show?
No. Do it together for full wave also.
Okay.
Prakhar, you have to try the inverted output also.
Okay, ma'am.
None of you got the output?
We are doing.
I mean, inverted means for positive of it should be 0 and for negative of it should be 180-degree shift, na?
No. Plus minus only. Both are inverted mean in terms of op-amp. What is the meaning of inverting output and non-inverting output?
Okay, like if you are giving positive, the inverting should give negative.
Yeah.
And ma'am,
180 shift.
in half wave rectifier is like for positive of it will be same graph, and for negative some part is clipped, so it is right, or fully clipped it should be there.
Clipping will not be there. It won't appear at all.
Can I show one time?
If clipping is coming means you are wrong. You try that. I told you clearly, na, it won't come like that. Fully with same output, but in one half it won't appear, or it means it won't rectify that input. Okay. Clipping is there means check your setting. Circuit connection you check. Yes. Sai Kishore, is it ready for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sai Kishore. You may share your screen.
Ma'am, this is for half wave, non-inverted.
Wait, Sai Kishore, I'll just tell you one thing.
Yes, ma'am.
First one, you show me the non-inverted one. Okay?
Yes,
Both the
ma'am.
sides, half wave and full wave.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So this is half wave, non-inverted. This is the output. This is V input. This is the V out.
Yeah. Here I want to know one question.
Yes,
V in how much you have applied? 5 volt.
2.5, ma'am.
That is VP only, no. Whole how much you got? Whole is
Yes.
2.5.
No, ma'am. It will be 2.5 here, 2.5 here, meaning 5.
How much output amplitude you are getting?
I will check, ma'am, 1 second. We are getting 2.4984.
Yeah, it means nearly 2.5 we are getting. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Good. You have to note down all these things. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Then this is
One thing. What do you feel in the design part of this circuit? Which property of the circuit made to appear like this? That you have to fill in your design part by your own sentences. Okay. Just few points. 4 or 5 points. Okay.
okay, like explaining the behavior of the diode with respect to the input, ma'am. Like I have to explain that.
For example, for one case I'm just telling. For example,
Yes.
design. You are going to design by the help of the op-amp and diode concept, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
if we are using one diode, it is precision rectifier. If we are using two diode, it is half wave rectifier along with the op-amp. But as per the position of the op-amp, suppose point 1 is saying B in for the sinusoidal waveform at the positive half cycle D1 will conduct, D2 will not conduct. Point 2 for the negative half cycle D2 will conduct, D1 will not conduct. You can extend few lines that while D1 is not conducting, the path, the circuit is open, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
D2 if it is conducting, the path will become a closed circuit op-amp, closed loop op-amp, and so the output will appear as negative half cycle, right? So
Yes.
because of the property of the op-amp, third point you can write, as you have applied negative input voltage, it will be inverted at the output, and that will be the closed path for diode D2. Third point. Finally, last point you can mention that we will get this rectified half wave waveform in the positive half or negative half, which part you got for which circuit, that you can mention. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Understood.
For half wave and for full wave, you can extend that to op-amp you are using, no?
Yes, ma'am. Two op-amp.
Yeah. So for that full wave, you can extend a few points for this last op-amp, because this is the non-inverting amplifier, and so we will get V out equal to V in like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
That was
Yeah.
half. This is full wave circuit.
Hmm.
For that, this is the output.
Yeah. Check the amplitude.
Amplitude is 2.4931 for 2.5 input.
2.49. This is also similar, right? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So one thing, Psychishore, the inverted one, you don't share your screen, you send me the screenshot in chat box.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, should I stop sharing?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I present?
Wait, I'm making you present. Wait. Yeah. I made Joysurya and to whom? One more. Two presentee I have made na Bhargav.
Krishna Bhargav, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, now I am presenting, ma'am.
Yeah, Bhargav, listen. If
Yes, ma'am.
like Psychishore I told na,
Yes.
you just do like that. Show me the normal part, non-inverted part. If it is correct, I will allow you to send me the screenshot of the inverted one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
inverted one in personal chat or in your
Yes.
chat?
Personal chat only.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This is the half wave rectifier circuit, ma'am. General part, not inverted. And this is the circuit for the full wave rectifier, ma'am. I've executed just now, ma'am. I will show output.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. This is the output for the half wave rectifier, ma'am. Now I
Check
will
the
show.
amplitude.
Yes, ma'am. Checking, ma'am. 2.495 volts we are getting, ma'am, as output. It is approximately same, but it is inverted to the input graph, ma'am.
Input is inverted, no, but output is not inverted. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Input.
Hmm.
Now for the full wave, this is the graph, ma'am. As both diodes are acting, we will get everything full. Both wave we will get ma'am, as output.
Very good. Very good.
This is also 2 point approximately same, ma'am. 2.4931 we are getting, ma'am.
Okay. You send me the screenshot of another
Yes,
one.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Jasurya, turn on your video and share.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, visible.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. 1 minute. Sai Kishore. You have forwarded that output. No, it is heavily packed. You just
Okay, ma'am. Zoom.
yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to zoom it. No, means user defined user. You can do and you can do it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Jasurya, you may proceed.
Yes, ma'am. This is half wave non-inverting, ma'am.
Okay.
This is non-inverting full wave, ma'am. And outputs are. This is for half wave non-inverting, ma'am. When for input to minus 2.4, we are getting plus 2.4, ma'am.
Yeah, tell about the output voltages.
Plus 2.4, ma'am.
Only 2.4.
2.4991.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am. For full wave, when input is 2.44, output is 2.49.
Okay, next you send me the screenshot of the inverting one.
Yes, ma'am.
With this, like this only, how you have shown clearly, no? So,
okay,
yeah, like that.
Yes, ma'am. Only outputs or circuit also, ma'am?
Circuit, below that output.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because you may proceed because.
Ma'am, I'm sharing my screen, ma'am. This is for half wave, ma'am. Non-inverting, ma'am.
Check the amplitude, yeah.
Ma'am, for input, like inverting input 2.4927, I'm getting output 2.4925, ma'am.
Okay.
And this is the full wave circuit, ma'am. Full wave circuit, ma'am.
Yes, it is visible only. Jasurya, you have forwarded me only for half wave, not full wave.
Just now I sent, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah, because it is verified for you. Stop share. Because.
Ma'am.
Because go to your circuit. Go back to your circuit. Just zoom it. Yeah.
Ma'am, you are asking about this one, ma'am. That before running, I didn't connect it properly, ma'am. So that error came, ma'am. And again, I connected properly and run it, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
This is the output, ma'am.
Yeah, verified. Because so you to send me the screenshot of the inverted one.
Okay, ma'am.